Hi, my name is Chris Henriksen, and I live in Anchorage, Alaska. I've been teaching here for 13 years, and I was one of the authors of some of the material for building connections, which is what we're going to unbox today. For the last several years, we've been working on teaching social skills to kids, and we're really focused on this particular product for K through 3. And so diving in, we're going to really work on those 5 different competency areas for social awareness, self-management, self-awareness, relationship skills, and responsible decision-making. And one of the things that I hear from teachers over and over is, when do I get to teach these skills? Ideally we do it within a dedicated space, but oftentimes our schedules are just so packed full of different stuff that we don't have time for that. And so one of the ways that Teacher Created Materials has worked with their imprint Free Spirit is to create this series called Building Connections, which is using literacy, amazing literacy, to be able to teach social skills. And so each one of these books, you get 12 within each pack, is dedicated to a specific social skill. And so you get to read the material, do that read aloud that's really powerful for kids, and then you get to touch on what social skills are important that your kids might need to work on. So here's just a couple examples of what is in here as far as the books go. As I said, there's 12 of them. Not only that, but one of the most amazing parts of this product is this teacher's guide that comes along with it. So with each book that you get, there is a summary of what the book is about, what social skills are being focused on, and then there's 5 activities that are focused just on the different areas for social skills. So each book can bend itself to all 5 different areas. And then also there's a literacy comprehension skill just to kind of get that extra piece of literacy in there. So you've got all of that that's included in here, each one of those activities. There's also these pages that are included at the end, which are just some activities that you get to do that are student facing. And so you get to have those ready to go. And then of course, within here too, there is the digital resources, which are really cool. Packed on here is so much stuff. Not only do you get all these different materials with the books, you also get the teacher guide that's on here. You're able to put some of that stuff on iPads or whatever programming that you guys use and print that stuff off to be able to have in front of kids if you're using that in front of kids. So you get so much materials with this. And then the last piece you get on here is this parent connection. They send off these different things that parents are able to kind of connect with what's going on in the classroom for teaching social skills at home. This product is going to be so amazing and help you transform your classroom into a loving, warming community where you're really teaching kids' hearts and their minds as well too. Hope you enjoy.